Hello, my name is William McLean, and I'm here with our group to present Connoisseur, a Japanese learning app. Keeping in mind that Japanese is a semi-difficult language to learn, we plan to develop it as easy as possible, allowing users to learn from various language levels. We are going to use the Scrum methodology for software development, and our team consists as follows: Hanye Wu, William McLean, and Michael McGregor. The product owners are going to be Hanye Wu and William McLean. Scrum leader will be Michael McGregor. The development tools we'll be using will be Android Studio, which is the standard development IDE for Android app, and GitHub for our repository needs. Okay, next coming up is Michael McGregor, and he'll be talking about the language progression. Thank you.
I'm Michael McGregor, and I'll begin with showing how the levels of the app work. So basically, there's 3 levels of this app, where there's level 1, level 2, and game. Each one is progressively more difficult than the last. Here's a graphical form of how the progression of the game works. So each level is more progressive. Level 1 is the easiest. It's for beginners. Level 2 is more intermediate, and game is for advanced users. The overall goal of Connoisseur is for the users to learn Japanese over time. So here's a line graph to show generally how they'll learn a lot at the beginning, and as it gets more difficult, they'll learn less, but in the end, they'll be more knowledgeable. Here's the main menu of the app. When it's launched, they'll be able to choose from katakana, hiragana, kanji, or game. Kanji and game will be grayed out at first because the users need to be fluent in level 1 language, so katakana, hiragana will be available at first. Then kanji will be available, and then game. Users will also be able to hit settings to change the theme of the app. And here's Hanye Wu with how the rest of the application will work.
Hello, this is Hanye Wu, and I will talk about the rest layout of the apps. First, I will talk about level 1. The left picture shows the activity of the level 1, and the right is the test of the level 1 if you want to skip the level 1 stuff. And you can see there's 2 buttons at the right corner of the screen. That's the button for audio of the Japanese character, and in the middle of the screen there's an image file for the katakana or hiragana character, and at the bottom there's an edit view let the player to edit the imaging of the character, and the quiz for skipping level 1 is multiple choice quiz, and saying the image file in the middle, and there's multiple choice at the end. And for level 2, first screen is pretty much the similar. We have audio bottom, have image of the character, and edit view at the bottom. And for the right screen, we have multiple choice for explanation of the kanji character. After we finish up the first 2 levels, we can head to the game, which is the hardest one. We have English word up here, and the player needs to have a game that you enter the katakana or hiragana of this English word, and that pretty much is our proposal of the application. Hope our application will help those who are interested in Japanese learn better.